He wants to.
Welcome to the stand. The game mode in today's video is VIP capture. Somewhere in the arena is a VIP. You need to shoot and capture the VIP and then hold them on your side longer than the enemy. Whoever holds the VIP for the most time wins. The stand consists of 4 floors. Orange team spawns on floor 4 with 2 staircases leading down onto floor 3. Yellow spawns on floor 1, also with 2 staircases leading up. That leaves floors 2 and 3 as the main combat zones with 4 staircases connecting them. I'll be running my custom ARP9, and if you're wondering about the camera, I'm using an Insta360 X5 on a backpack mount to get this third person view. It's my first time running it, so just a heads up, it does get in the way, especially in the tighter spots. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think of the 360 perspective.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sorry, I'll take that was my bad. Smooth of me. Hit it on the floor.
Come on.
Hit. Nice shot.
Push it, Charlie.
You're on my team and you're dead. Hey, nice shot.
Sound like Brad though, does it?
spawn room, by the way. You just want to back up, yeah, it's no problem. I'm gonna let you go. This is spawn room.
Yeah, go.
I'm practically invincible here, but I'll let you go, I'll let you go. Yeah. So a bit. I'll just let them go because they got confused.
Yeah. So just don't push down onto this first floor, guys. Just let it go. Well, you're alright, you're fun. No, you are. Cheers,
One way
guys.
straight, eh? Let's have a go at these.
Yeah.
Hits, nice shot. Yeah, they got you, you got past me. Careful, slippy there. Slippy here, guys.
Hey, man.
No, I'm yellow. No, it's out. Yeah, you got me, nice shot.
Oh, wait, rock, paper, scissors for it.
Oh, you do want it, yeah?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Thank you, buddy, I appreciate that.
There's 230 on your vehicle. Go up.
Yellow! 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 Yellow tree!
Beyond the kill house, guys, far left. What do you mean, man? I can't fucking believe it for a second. Mags out! Weapons clear! Back to the safe zone!